Hello all, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. This video I am going to talk about affiliate marketing. So before going into affiliate marketing, I have started internship in various roles, which is including full stack developer with Python or PHP, C++, Java, desktop application developer, manual tester, application marketer, etc. Several roles are available, and I'm offering 1 month free internship and 3 months paid internship with 3,500 as a initial offer. And I have developed many websites, and you will be working in any of the one of the website, and also you will get as part of internship certificate from MySys IT Services OPT Private Limited. It is a registered company. Okay, so that is if you are interested, you can actually come to this site and LinkedIn site, and then select search for VMR, and then connect with me, and then we can discuss, or you can send mail to submit at MySys, or you can actually WhatsApp me at 807 430 5128. Okay, so I will actually update this site. You can come back and then watch. If you are interested, you can connect with me, and we'll actually discuss about your internship. So you can actually watch these videos for your training purpose, and then you can also work on digital marketing, social media marketing on these websites. So let us now start. See, I have been doing affiliate marketing with adrevo.com and softrevo.com and couponsnagar.in and couponsnagar.com. Okay, so I've been doing this for quite some time, and I have a good handle on affiliate marketing. So I actually get these links through the affiliation marketing, and we will actually get an opportunity. And if any sale happens with this, we will also get commission. Similarly, the softwares, if anybody uh, purchases through our promotion link, we will actually get a commission through the share it and clover bridge, and Avangate portals. Similarly, I have tied up with Rakuten, and I have got an approval for with many publishers through the Rakuten, and I have listed all the products of the publishers which are mentioned here, and I get a commission for the listing I made it. Similarly, for India, uh, for India, you know. Uh, For India, merchants, I actually had a tie-up with many vendors here, and then I will be getting commission for their products if I sell them. Similarly, here if you see here, these are all the publishers I have got an approval, and this is through the merchant Rakuten, and other merchants also. Primarily, it is through the Rakuten. So since I have a good hold of affiliate marketing, and I've been practicing affiliate marketing and through the as part of the digital marketing, right? I can actually explain about the concepts, and this will be useful for the people who wanted to do digital marketing, and also if they want to play an affiliation marketer as a role as part of their digital marketing strategy, or it will you will get a knowledge on what is affiliation marketing for you to build up your competency. So affiliation marketing is also one kind of online advertising model or part of a digital marketing that provides an efficient way to promote products and services to users as well as companies without creating our own products and services. Okay, so affiliate marketing's main role is to join affiliate programs Okay, so the marketers, there are two types of affiliate marketers, affiliate managers. One is from the vendor side and other one is from the publisher side. So find efficient and repeatable products to promote, and then share those products with the target audience to earn profits. Okay, that is what he is talking about. For example, in adrev.com, we have a tied up with Rakuten, and then we are actually placing links in the side by, okay, so that we get actually commission if anybody clicks on it and then buys it. Similarly, software, we have tied up with various software vendors, merchants such as Avangate, ShareIt, and Cleverbit. And if anybody buys through our link, we will get a commission. Okay, as a publisher, we are actually promoting the affiliation marketing, and we are playing as a affiliation marketer as part of the digital marketing agency. So let us understand what are the terminologies of affiliate marketing, terminology, and advantages of affiliate marketing, disadvantages of affiliate marketing, parts of affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, and how does affiliate marketing work, types of affiliate marketing channels and affiliate marketing tools, and how to create an account in affiliate marketing and most popular affiliate marketing companies in India. Of course, I will actually talk about a couple of affiliate marketing merchants worldwide. Okay, because I have actually tied up with worldwide also as well as India. Then we can actually discuss about who are the merchants and where to register, and then how do we actually promote our products. So affiliates, we are all the affiliates, as an AdRevu, or as a SoftRevu, or as a kupasnagar.com, or as a kupasnagar.in. Okay, we are all affiliates. Okay, um, so affiliates are the persons who promote products and services for a particular website to earn commissions. Okay, so we actually register in a merchant, and then we actually request for an approval to promote their products of a particular vendor who is registered with the merchant, and then once they approve it, we actually take the links, and then we publish those links in our websites, and whenever anybody clicks on it and then buys the product, then we will get a commission which we agreed during our agreement with the vendor in the merchant. Okay, so affiliate program. So most of the companies such as Flipkart, Amazon, HostGator, or international merchants like international merchants like Rakuten, Avangate, or or Avin, or Impact. Okay, um, inter let us check international. Okay, affiliate merchant sites. Okay, so let us actually see what are those 10. The commission is one of the popular worldwide application site, affiliate site, and Shopify, CJ, that is a commission junction, eBay partner network, that is what we are actually tied up with the Rakuten, and then ClickBank, Amazon Associates, Flipkart affiliate program, the commission, and Shop Close and Optimize. Okay, so these are the affiliates available internationally as well as nationally. Okay, so you can actually register with them, and then once you register with them, they will actually verify which website you are promoting, and you have to stick to that website and to promote the products. You cannot actually register for one site and then promote those things in the other channel. For example, you have registered yourself as a YouTuber, and then you need to promote in that channel only. So if you have a Twitter channel where you want to promote a product, then you need to create only that channel and then get an approval to promote the products. So they will always verify which channel you are actually promoting the product. So you can specify Facebook, or you can specify Twitter or X account, or you can specify YouTube, or you can specify Pinterest, or whichever channel you are promoting, right? You have to get an approval from that particular vendor or merchant, and then you need to list it there, and then you must be able to provide the you must be able to get that approval to provide the product. Okay. So affiliate link, definitely, as I mentioned in adrevo.com. So these are the affiliate links, and then it has an ID. If you see here, okay, it has an ID. Okay, this is the ID which is fixed for us. Okay, so sometimes these IDs will be deactivated, so we need to remove and get a new ID. Okay, now we have a tie-up with Qatar, then ID will be taken up as a customer ID, and then that will be linked, and it is related to what we have actually has an affiliation with a particular merchant, and within that merchant the Qatar Airways is the vendor. Okay, so we can also call it as a uh, you know um, affiliate ID. What is affiliate ID? As I mentioned, is a quite similar to affiliate link. Some companies offer affiliate ID in place of affiliate link. Affiliate IDs are also used to promote products as well as services. Payment mode. So payment mode is used by the companies to give payments to their affiliates. For example, me as an affiliate, I need to actually showcase, give a for example, PayPal link or wire transfer. When I give a PayPal link, then I need to register myself as a funds receiver, and then I need to actually enter the bank ID details inside that and get validated. Then only the money will be transferred to PayPal, and then PayPal actually will transfer to our local bank through a scheduled payment. Okay, so what is the commission percentage? Commission percentage is amount that is offered with I will also give with one example, right? Okay, so I will also give. So what is the commission? The commission is the commission is the amount that is offered to an affiliate based on sale of the product. So each vendor inside the merchant, okay, will have a specific commission, and that is specific to you. So so I am actually logging in as a merchant. So you will have a specific commission for each vendor. Whenever you actually place a order by the link from your side, and get the order, so that percentage of commission will be actually you will get that commission, and then they will pay a monthly basis if you reach a particular amount of amount of reached. For example, if you reach $100 of sales commission per that month, then you might get a payment in that month. Otherwise, it will keep on accumulating till you get that $100. Okay, so that is how the affiliates work. Sometimes some merchants will actually release the amount immediately, but some merchants will add the the ceiling amount, right, where you need to reach, okay, to get that amount paid. Okay, so as I'm talking about, right, affiliate marketplace, this is the marketplace what I'm talking about, that is called merchant. Okay, so for example, adrevo.com is Rakuten is one publisher, and Rakuten is one kind of merchant. Okay, and then I have registered here, and then I have my advertisers. If you see, right, I have got a tie-up with many merchants. All are approved. Okay, each one will give, for example, 5 to 10% commission on a click commission. That means if anybody clicks on the link, and then that person buys any of the products which we actually keep that as a link, then we will definitely get the commission for. Of course, the link will have whenever anybody gives the click, right. If that person leaves that site and then comes back after a few days, then still we will get the commission, because there will be a cookie period of that particular link, and then that cookie will store in that browser till the expiry of that cookie. And if anybody buys the product within that cookie period, you will definitely get a commission based on your the click done by the users. Okay, so advantage of affiliation marketing, it is a cost effective, because you only have to pay the commission to the merchant. But what will happen is the marketing effort, you register, and then if you get 1,000 affiliate publishers, so that means you are multiplying with marketing channels of 1,000 without giving any of effort. Okay, and without spending too much of time to promote the products. Okay, for example, if these 1,000 promote your product every day, it is like a huge promotion without actual effort, and actual effort is actually done by the publisher, who is actually a performance marketer. Okay, he is also called as a performance marketer, and he will get the benefit based on the performance. And if anybody clicks on the link, and then it will actually be converted into the order if he place the order. Okay, and also one important point I want to tell you for the publisher, you cannot simply keep the link in your site. When you are actually keeping the link of affiliate, you need to mention below one line saying that, okay, we have an affiliate with the sites, and and we might get commission based on based on the sale which we are going to actually do that. That actually disclaimer needs to be kept in our affiliate links. Okay, otherwise it will be a concern. Okay, so that is the cost effective way. Other one is convenient and flexible. I mean, you can actually accept a publisher, or you can deny the publisher. Okay, you limit the publisher count to 50, or you limit your publisher count to lakh also. So that means your product channels will be extrapolated, and right, and then your sales might be in extrapolation of revenue numbers. Okay, I mean, if it clicks, right, of course it is a performance based. If all your 1 lakh channels promote your product, and you get orders frequently, then what else you need, right? Without you just kept as a marketer in the affiliate merchant site, and then you for that commission you small percentage to the merchant also, but the result is immense, right? So it is a performance rewards, as I mentioned. So that means the as a publisher, we will get revenue if anybody clicks on it and then purchases it within that cookie period. Otherwise we will not get any as a publisher, we will not get any revenue. Similarly, as I mentioned, right, if you actually tied up with 1,000 publishers, and then they have actually kept your links in your in the 1,000 websites to promote your products, then it is one kind of search engine optimization tech, where you have to actually add genuine links to your site, which will actually increase your page rank, and also it will enable you to if anybody try to search product, probably it will come directly your page, and your sales also will increase. So these are all interlinked to one to the other one. Okay, so then it is a your primary source usually will be your main product sales, and your channels of product sale, right? But this will be the additional channel, where you will have to register with merchant, and then you will have to add a affiliate manager to coordinate with all the merchants, and all the with the merchant as well as the affiliates. But with a little effort and a little investment, the result will be immense. Okay, and no expertise needed. It is a simple, straightforward set of process register in the merchant and add the products regularly and give the coupon codes and offers regularly so that publishers will get motivated to promote and also give a good commission to the publishers so that they will try to promote your products. Okay, so as I mentioned, low investment cost. So this you don't have to pay upfront to all these thousand publishers. Okay, so they will actually get the commission only when they actually place the link of a particular vendor in their websites or in the social media, and that whichever is approved channel, and if anybody clicks on that particular link and then buys that product, then only you will pay that commission. Okay, otherwise it is a indirect promotion to your website and indirect promotion as a search engine optimization to get a backlinks. Okay, for your product so that in your search engine, right, your product might rank on top, and on top of that one you might get revenue also. Okay, so it is also a passive income for the affiliates. Okay, once you create and then you keep that in the publisher account, and then you promote it in Twitter or in YouTube, right, and you it starts earning the money. That means it is a passive income. Even if you are sleeping, right, your links will start working. Okay, your websites, right, the links on your websites or your promotion product in YouTube, or your promotion link in X or Pinterest or LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, whatever the channel you use it as a digital media or social media. Okay, the more reach for that product and a targeted audience, you will actually get a right audience, and then get a click, and then get that revenue as a publisher. And for the merchant, they will get commission from the both sides, from the vendor as well as from the publisher, and vendor also will get the revenue sale of the product, which will actually increase their revenue. Okay, so let us see what is the terminologies which we actually discussed. It is a cost effective, as I mentioned. It is a low cost. You have to take it, and then as a publisher, and then keep the link. You register with the render through a merchant, and then get the links, and then submit one of the for example this particular vendor. Okay, I will have links. Okay, and then all the links actually you can get it, get the link and then keep it in your site. Okay, so that is how you need to get it. You will have the option of a banner promotion with various sizes. You can choose whichever is better, or you can also promote with the text links. Okay, uh, so convenience and flexible. Affiliate marketing is more convenient and flexible because it allows marketers to do their jobs from the home, so they can decide their working hours according to their convenience. Affiliate marketing is flexible because it offers the following three types of rewards. Pay per sale, what we discussed. Okay, for example, sale is done, then you get the commission, or pay per click. Pay per click, it is actually pay per click will be mainly is in Bing and AdWords kind of thing. Pay per click, for example, this is the pay per click kind of impression. It may be a 1,000 impressions, CPM, or cost per click, right, or pay per click. So in the similarly in affiliate marketing, you can also promote that, and then if anybody clicks that particular promotion, and you can actually agree to pay this much of commission. And a pay per lead, that means you have given a lead to that particular sale or a lead, and then it might get into the sale later, but you are given a lead, right? So that is also an option where you can actually get a commission. It is assigned to affiliate marketers when visitors fill his personal information on our website using the contact info. Okay, click is just a click, but in the lead you will give the contact details, so that you can the merchant or vendor will actually call back and then discuss with the their product sale. Okay, so performance based rewards, in other words, we get a fixed amount of salary in a month, right? But affiliate marketing is completely based on the performance. So the more you actually sell through your websites or your affiliate marketing channels, so you will get money. If you don't sell it anything, your income will be zero. Okay, so that means it is a performance based. Okay, if you have excellent marketing, writing, reviewing, and presentation skills, then you can earn more money without doing more effort, right? So you can actually sell that product in YouTube, and you start kind of giving a lot of content, more promotion, right? And if you have the talent, you can also make that product sales at home only, and then get a income through that. So for example, Amazon is offering a Amazon is offering affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can register as an affiliate marketer, and then take some products and then create a product review, or you create a product review, with the video content, or you can create a you use that product, and then say that how this product is working, give the review, and then recommend them, so that they can actually see that and then understand, and if they like it, and give a link, and then if we get any commission, right? You will actually be able to get that commission for the sale. So like that Flipkart, okay, like that so what we discussed, the many merchants, right? You can become as an affiliate, and then you can actually sell a product. Okay, so we can start affiliate marketing at low investment costs. To work as an affiliate marketer, you need only electricity, ISP subscription, and high-speed internet connection. As I mentioned, right, Rakuten, you need to register as a publisher, and then you need to tell where you are actually you want to sell your product, like channel. If you are submitting in multi-channel, you have to actually get an approval for each and every channel. Okay, so no customer support. Okay, here because you are not earning any money, because you are selling, and to your bank account from that user who is actually purchasing. It is actually going directly to the vendor, even it is not coming to the merchant. Okay, so if it is directly going to that merchant, and then merchant will actually pay the money to the vendor. Okay, just a correction, the money is going to the merchant, and then merchant will pay the money to the vendor, and then also the commission to the uh, to commission to the publisher. But what will happen is customer support will always be with the merchant or the vendor. Okay, not with the publisher. So passive income, we discussed passive income. You will get passive income because once you place this promotion video, and then keep it in YouTube, and then you sleep it, and probably you will get a lot of sales by the time you wake up, and then check what are the sales. Right. So that is another way of getting. So I'm giving one example, but there are many channels. You can use Facebook to promote. You can use X to promote. You can use Reddit to promote. So there are many channels where you can utilize. Only thing is you actually need to get more followers, or you need to promote where there are more users, where they can see your promotion of a particular product. Okay, and then as I mentioned, there is no guarantee of revenue. Okay, I keep that product, and then in my website, and then if nobody comes to my website, and nobody purchases say any sale on that one, then you will not get any revenue. It is zero revenue, absolutely. You might have heard very hard, and developed your website, or developed your video, or kept that in multiple channels, but still if you don't get any sale, right? Then there is no guarantee. Nobody will actually are liable or accountable here, because it is you are only liable and you are only accountable, and you are responsible actually for selling the product of that particular vendor. And affiliate link hijackers. So there are many affiliate link hijackers are there already. So what will happen is you will keep a link in your website, right? And then with your ID. So these people who are lethargic, and then don't want to work with directly with affiliates and get the links and keep it in their site, right? They actually steal your link and then change the ID with their ID, and then keep whatever the content you created, everything will be there. They will actually steal and then keep it and then make a big website, and people like search, then their websites will be with proper search engine optimization techniques, and they use excellent tools to make that website look and feel very good, and all those data will be appealing very good. So what will happen is when I see search engine happens, right, people searches, these people websites will become in a top search results, and then obviously people will tend to click on the first five test results, right? And if it comes in the first five, and then they will actually go into that loop of getting the commission, and the original link creator who has kept that particular link in the website, they will not get the commission. Okay. And false advertisements. It is the biggest disadvantage of affiliate marketing. Sometimes affiliate marketing associates with spammy marketing campaigns that produce spammy, not relevant, to dummy and false products to customers. So always be aware black affiliate marketing strategies and false advertisements. Otherwise, your website can completely destroy the organization reputation, and they will actually see you. You need to be careful. Okay. So fifth one is requires self-discipline. Okay. So affiliate marketing is like a traditional marketing, and means that it is not an established agenda, routine, and guidelines to to do. You need to actually create your own guidelines. For example, you want to create a product with against guidelines of YouTube, and you promote it. Then YouTube immediately will ban it. Similarly, you cannot post more tweets, right, in X, and then if you start giving more, then it will ban your site, and you will not get an opportunity to revert back. Similarly, in Pinterest, if you mass submit, right, it will actually think that it is a spam, and they will actually ban that. So what are the affiliate marketing, parts of affiliate marketing, right? So the merchant is also known as I discussed, right, as I shown earlier. Rakuten is a merchant. Similarly, um, for example, Amazon is a merchant. Flipkart is a merchant. Okay, Vcommerce Junction is a merchant. Okay, and they are all makers, retailers, or creators, sellers, or brand. In affiliate marketing, the role of a merchant is to create all products and services. This merchant may be a single entrepreneur, social media influencer, or a large company. So, it can be a merchant, can be single also, right? For example, McDonald's, they want to actually initiate an affiliate directly into a merchant, and they want to actually give commission directly to the uh, for example, to the publishers. So there is no merchant channel. So the relationship between the McDonald's and your channel will be merchant and publisher relationship. Okay. So the affiliate, as I mentioned, is a person who are the publishers or distributors and advertisements. So it is a quite similar to the merchant. Affiliate marketers advertise merchants products and services to earn money from the customers. So the money that affiliate marketers earn from the customer is known as commission. So the customer, this is the end person who actually takes a decision either to buy or not to buy. Okay, so they are actually the important people in our the stakeholders of all the stakeholders. So customer is the revenue generator for the merchant, for the vendor, and for publisher. So you have to actually give your products with the proper reviews, proper content, and the proper way of promoting, not spamming, so that users will attract and then buy. The network. The network is also handles networking, reporting, and payment activities. For example, Rakuten is a network, right? They will actually take up the register vendor registration as well as the um publisher registration. Okay, so then agencies are used to manage day-to-day operations and strategies of a program. So what happens is application marketing nowadays, there are many agencies, they will manage the affiliation marketing of various merchants. For example, there is a McDonald's would have actually tied up with one agency for their product sale. What will happen is that particular agency will register their as a representative of McDonald's in a commission junction, as well as Rakuten, and as well as Now and Impact, and all those and then give wherever they get the commission, right? They actually go with the commission based, or they can go with the monthly payment model. Okay, so how to start affiliate marketing? So what I am going to do is I will actually break here, okay, and how to start affiliate marketing. I will actually create a second video and then take it forward. I hope you have actually understood, and if you understand and like this content, then there is a like button. I request you to submit the like button, and similarly, share, subscribe, and write comments. What you think about this video, and any suggestions if you have. And finally, I just want to end with my internship opportunity at MySys IT Services. Registered. I'm offering many internships, and if you are interested, you can come and work with as an internship as a affiliate marketer, digital marketer with edrive.com, software.com, kupasnagar.com, or kupasnagar.in, or various other roles. I'm going to give it to you. Okay, so that is all from my side, and thank you for watching, and